Welcome to the Burlish Top Nature Reserve. We're on the car park here. It's an area of outstanding beauty, notable for its lowland heath combined with an oak woodland, all very impressive. It's a very important area. It's great for walking and cycling, and woodpeckers, yes, we've heard those here. Interesting that you've got a 6.5 mile walk, a circular walk. It's all described on this map inset. So it's a very lovely area, and we're so pleased that we live so close to it. And this one, as you can see, very pleasant, lovely and quiet. We're leading up to that monument to the Second World War, referring to the US Army camp that was based here in the war years. Unfortunately, most of the soldiers based here didn't make it through D-Day. A large number died, so very little remains. You can see a low wall here of a building that existed then. Burlish Bike Park. I bet the youngsters think they can rule the roost here. Well, let's go and show them how it's really done. Look at this, Stourport Sports Club. No end of the facilities round here, look. Got the nets up there, athletics, hockey. Whew. Just about everything by the look of it. Burlish Meadow. It's at the side of this car park. The old golf course is just over the road. This was an area that was basically a tipping ground for concrete blocks and soil. So it's had to be redeveloped, cultivated, and step by step each year, I believe, the meadow will improve and get better and better. There are a number of notices on poles around describing the species of butterfly that has been attracted here. There's a pond down the bottom. It makes for a lovely walk, and it's a lovely area. It's lovely and quiet, and yeah, it's very worthwhile. My former golf course. One of the reasons I came to live in Stourport was this golf course. But after quite a number of years, the owners couldn't make it a profit out of it, and so it was closed. That's sad for me. It's sad to see what used to be my golf course being grazed upon by a herd of cows. It seems very strange, but at least this area is given over to nature, and still a very attractive area.